right, my secret sauce today is sell what you do best. That sounds like a no-brainer, right? Okay, not everybody wants to buy a white t-shirt with a one color decoration, even though that's what you and everybody else does best. But think about it. There's some orders you dread to do. And maybe it's not even dread. Maybe it's the fact you know in your heart of hearts while you're producing the order, you could be making much more money in the same amount of time doing what you do best. So, what products or services do you offer that can maximize your potential? In other words, what do you do best and most efficiently that can maximize your profit potential? These are the products and processes where you can focus your attention in marketing. Promoting what you do best is what makes the most money for you, and it only makes sense. I was talking with a decorator once who told me he hated doing a particular type of printing. My response was, "Why do I see it on your website homepage?" And there were some excuses about needing to show everything they do and what they're capable of. But in his eyes, why do I have that on my website? So if you can't part with a product, method, or service, take some time to study it and find a way to do it better, more efficiently, more profitably. Maybe just change or charge more money for it so you're not hating yourself for taking the order. So help your customer find and want to buy what you do best and what you want to sell. Promote your specialty and what makes the most money per order. That alone can make you money with exactly the same amount of time of production and effort. So you want to fill some social media content? Fill it up with you decorating what you want to sell, what you do best. And it's okay to fire a product or service you offer. Yes, you may have legacy customers who buy just that product or service. And if you feel you have to, you can keep producing their orders, but just their orders. But I'm more of a mind to say, as of the end of the year or the end of the quarter or whatever the time frame, we'll no longer be offering that product or that service. And you can be honest and say it's just not profitable for your business. Here's a plus. If you fire a product or service, there's really no paperwork to fill out. So sell and promote what you do best and what makes you the most money. Take an hour and make some notes about what you do, what you like to do, and make some notes about what you'd be happier seeing going the other way. And I'm going to be using my yellow junior legal pad to make my notes. That's my secret sauce for today.